Hello there and welcome to your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Well, today is less lively than yesterday. Certainly though, there are showers in the forecast which will be blustery and they will turn to snow over the higher ground. In between we will see a little sunshine, but these showers will cluster together to form longer spells of rain, particularly across England and Wales through this afternoon. You can see that happening with a blustery breeze here. Those showers will be frequent across the west and north of Scotland, the central and northern part of Northern Ireland, as you can see, turning to snow above around 200 metres. All in all, though, in between the cloud will be a bit more broken. The wind's not as strong as yesterday, away from the far north of Scotland, where again we will see gales here. However, temperatures are a lot lower. Today coming in around 5 to 9 degrees Celsius, feeling cold in that wind. And there's an ice risk tonight for Scotland, particularly where we've seen showers through the day and overnight. As temperatures plummet, it's going to be a fairly frosty night away from the southwest quadrant of the country, where we'll see thickening cloud and outbreaks of rain arriving during the early hours of the morning. In rural spots, temperatures will be a sub-zero, so a cold and frosty start to the day, and certainly some of you will be scraping ice off your windscreens first thing. Now, through Thursday morning, we watch as these showers continue across Scotland, but they will become more scattered through the afternoon. Elsewhere, this band of rain here will continue to make inroads across towards the northeast. So, despite a dry start across the Midlands, central southern England, much of central and eastern areas of England, northern England, you will see that cloud thicken up and outbreaks of rain arriving. A similar situation for Northern Ireland, the Isle of Man. Wales seeing some patchy rain first thing. For Scotland, frequent showers through the morning, easing through the afternoon, but then that rain eventually will reach these parts, particularly the central belt of Scotland, southern parts, eastern areas. So let's have a look at the progress through the first part of Thursday morning. Heading down the country, you can see it's a cold start today, a frosty one, the risk of ice. Showers continuing in the west. Showers coming in, clipping Cumbria as well as Lancashire. Northern Ireland seeing its fair share, and you can run into more showery bursts of rain across this far south and southwestern part of the country. Heavy rain to come for the West Country, a stronger wind here. Central southern England seeing that rain and then eventually moves up towards the Midlands, covers London as we head through around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and then moves towards the Yorkshire area. And what that means for particularly the Pennines, it will turn to snow. The southern uplands could see some snow through the afternoon as well as that rain hits the colder air, making progress northwards. But for Aberdeenshire, Caithness, Sutherland, North West Highlands, a mostly dry afternoon, even with a little bit of sunshine. We continue to see a feed of showers for the Northern Isles. The Western Isles seeing some showers as well, and those showery bursts of rain extend down towards Northern Ireland. Temperatures will recover down towards the southwest, 10, 11 degrees Celsius here. Generally speaking, particularly after such a cold start, it's going to be a cold day. But certainly the rain towards the east will be mostly patchy. So that's Thursday afternoon. Through Thursday evening, the rain continues its progress northwards. And again, the chance of snow over the highlands of Scotland. It could persist here for a time. Winds fairly light, a stronger wind across England and Wales and Northern Ireland. And with that, some showery bursts of rain, but a better day to come towards more southern areas where the cloud could break at times. Temperatures then are through the afternoon, single figures generally, feeling cold, particularly across the north there with that wind across the far north. Outbreaks of rain and then showery bursts of rain coming in with a cold northwesterly wind. So all in all, a chilly day, a messy day weather-wise, and the strongest winds will always be in the south. So that's the low pressure system which will affect us on Friday. Come Saturday, it's still with us. A squeeze on the isobars anywhere from the central belt of Scotland southwards. So another blustery day. In fact, Sunday's looking very similar with outbreaks of rain or showers, and low pressure still firmly in charge. And again, those winds tend to extend up towards the country before easing towards the west later on. So for the next few days, it remains unsettled with some wet and windy weather never too far away. Bye-bye.